आज हम लोग करेंगे we do sum based on this. You know that d equal to what? B square minus 4ac. D equal to B square minus 4ac. And this is called what? D is called what? What is the name of D? Discriminant. And what is the function of D? What is the importance of D? D is calculated to know the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. Why D is calculated? D is calculated to know the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. ठीक है? So D is calculated to know the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. If we want to know the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation, so if we want to know the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation, so we have to find D. And after getting D, there are some conditions. Number one condition is, if D is less than 0, then roots are real and unequal. This unequal is sometimes called distinct also. Distinct मतलब अलग अलग, unequal होगा, equal नहीं होगा. Number two, we have, if D equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. And number three, we have, if D is less than 0, then it is imaginary roots. Imaginary roots, that means we cannot calculate, can't be calculated. So based on this information, today we have to complete the sum. Question will come from here. This is one of the important topic. From here we have many questions in your NCERT book also and other book also. So we have to do the sum. So based on this we have to do the sum. ठीक है? Okay? So let me do 1-2 sum. 1-2 sum let me do. After that I will give you sum. Today you are completing this. इसका questions can be in different way. Question तुम्हारा different way से आ सकता है. जैसे one possible way is that which I am giving you. One possible way question is like that. Take the question लो. Without solving the equation, comment upon the nature of the roots. Without solving the equation, comment upon the nature of the roots. So we don't have to solve the equation, because we can solve and we can comment कि the roots real है और unequal है और equal है और imaginary है और roots calculate नहीं हो सकता है. But question में बोल रहा है कि without solving we have to comment on the nature of the roots. So one simple question, start with a simple question. 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. So this is one simple question. We want to comment on the nature of the roots. I will do all the types. सारा type questions कर देते हैं तब. Then I give you some question. You will be solving. So this is one type of sum. Without solving, we have to comment on the nature of the roots. So here a equal to what? A equal to 2. This is your coefficient of x square is 2. B equal to minus 4, coefficient of x, and C equal to 3. So this is A, this is B, and this is C. So we find D. D equal to B square minus 4AC. So B square minus 4AC means minus 4 square minus 4 into 2 into 3. So it comes 16 minus 24. 16 minus 24 means minus 8, less than 0. So roots are imaginary. So this is how we have to do the sum. So roots are imaginary roots. This is one type of sum. I hope it's okay. Okay for you? Now second type of sum based on this, one more type और एक type question है. Second type of question, take the question. Find the value of k. Find the value of k. Find the value of k so that find the value of k so that the equation have two real and equal roots. So that the equation have two real and equal roots. So that the equation have two real and equal roots. So based on this, take one sum. Suppose k plus 1 into x square minus k minus 1 into x plus 1 equal to 0. This is one simple question. We want to do 1, 2 is also 2 into k minus 1 into x plus 1 equal to 0. So this question is, we have to find the value of k. We have to find the value of k so that roots are real and equal. So in the same way we do. So here a equal to k plus 1, b equal to, दिखाई पड़ रहा है आगे ठीक से? और एक लाइट जला दिया, देखो इसको. So a equal, this is your a equal to k plus 1, b equal to minus of 2 into k minus 1. Always this term is a, this term is b and this term is c. So c equal to 1. So this is your a, b, c. So we find d. d equal to b square minus 4ac. So b square मतलब b is minus 2 into k plus k minus 1 whole square of this minus 4 into a means k plus 1, c means 1. So if you solve, minus 2 ka square is 4 and this k minus 1 whole square if you solve, so k square minus 2k plus 1 minus this 4 into 1, 4 into k plus 1. We simplify more or simplify karo. So if you multiply by 4, so it is coming 4k square minus 8k plus 4 minus 4k minus 4. So plus 4 minus 4 cancels. So it comes 4k square minus 8k minus 4k is minus 12k. So this is the value of d. Always we have to simplify d. The first work is to simplify d. Now question is, it have real and equal roots. So now we do for real and equal roots. For real and equal roots, d should be equal to 0. So d should be 0 means the value of d is 4k square minus 12k should be 0. So take out common 4k, then k minus 3 should be 0. So either 4k equal to 0 or k minus 3 equal to 0. So from here k equal to 0 divided 4, 0 divided 4 means 0, and from here k equal to 3. So these are the two answers. Either k value is 0 or k value is 3. Always first thing is we have to find d. Always calculate d carefully. After getting d carefully, question is told real and equal roots. So for real and equal roots, d equal to 0. The value of d is 4k square minus 12k. So 4k square minus 12k must be 0. Now we are factorizing. So 4k is common, k minus 3 equal to 0. So either 4k equal to 0 or k minus 3 equal to 0. So k equal to 0 by 4 means 0 and k equal to 3. So 0 and 3 are the answer.